Another court case has been instituted against Dele Farotimi. It seemed like, these different cases that have been instituted against him is just coming from left, right, center, left, right, center. Oh my God. It seemed like all the weapons formed against Farotimi are just coming at him right now. Another case was also, instituted against him at the Federal High Court in Abuja by a partner in Afe Babalola's law firm as well. Before we delve right into the details of today's news, if this is your first time here or you have not subscribed to this channel, what are you doing? Please go ahead and subscribe, like this video, also leave your opinions in the comment section below as well. Nigerian senior advocate Adebayo Adenipekun sues Dele Farotimi to Oyo State High Court. A prominent lawyer and senior advocate of Nigeria, Adebayo Adenipekun, has filed a lawsuit against human rights lawyer Dele Farotimi at the Oyo State High Court in Ibadan, Oyo State. A court document dated 9th of December 2024, which Sahara reporters obtained on Tuesday, showed the court summoned Dele Farotimi to appear before it within 30 days of service. Adebayo Adenipekun son is listed as the claimant, while Dele Farotimi and Dele Farotimi Publishers are listed as the first and second defendants, respectively. The court document reads, "You are hereby commanded that within 30 days of the service of these rights on you, inclusive of the day of such service, you do cause an appearance to be entered for you in an action at the suit of Adebayo Adenipekun son, and take notice that in default of your doing so, the claimant may proceed therein, and judgment may be given in your absence." The document continued, "This right is to be served within 6 calendar months from the date thereof, or if renewed, within 3 calendar months from the date of the last renewal, including the day of such date, and not afterwards. The defendant may enter appearance personally or by legal practitioner, either by handing in the appropriate forms." This is coming amid the ongoing legal battles between Farotimi and another prominent lawyer, Afe Babalola. Sahara reporters had reported that the Magistrate Court in Ado-Ekiti, Ekiti State, reserved its ruling and adjourned the bail application of Dele Farotimi to Friday, December 20, 2024. The ruling means Farotimi, despite the growing public outcry, would remain in custody for another 10 days, prolonging his wait for justice and freedom. Earlier, Farotimi on Tuesday pleaded not guilty to 14 charges levied against him at the Ekiti State Magistrate Court. The charges, which are initially 16, were amended and reduced to 14 by the prosecution before being served to the defendant. Earlier, Sahara reporters reported that human rights lawyer Farotimi arrived at the premises of the Ado-Ekiti Magistrate Court in Ekiti State in the ongoing trial on the defamation suit filed against him by legal luminary Afe Babalola's son. The Nigerian Correctional Service (NCS) brought the lawyer on Tuesday morning without handcuffs after facing backlashes on Monday at the Federal High Court. Sahara reporters reported also that Farotimi submitted a preliminary objection urging the Ado-Ekiti Magistrate Court in Ekiti State to dismiss the defamation suit filed against him by Afe Babalola's son. The preliminary objection filed on Monday, dated December 9, 2024, ahead of Tuesday's hearing of a defamation charge, was submitted through his legal counsel, Adeyinka Olumide Fusika son, who leads a team of 19 other lawyers. The objection is based on Section 36, subsection 8 of the 1999 Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Section 4, subsection 1 of the Criminal Law of Ekiti State, Section 77, subsection 10A, 147 and 370 of the Ekiti State Administration of Criminal Justice Law, 2014, and Section 25 and 42 of the Magistrate Court Law, number 5, 2014 of Ekiti State. Farotimi's objection outlines 5 key grounds, arguing that the charge against him is legally invalid, non-existent, and that the magistrate acted beyond their jurisdiction by considering an incompetent charge. The 5 grounds of the objection are as follows. The 16-count charge before the magistrate court pertains to alleged offences under the Criminal Code Act. The Criminal Code Act is applicable in Ekiti State through adoption or domestication as the Criminal Code Law, C16 Laws of Ekiti, 2012. What are your thoughts? Let's have them in the comment section. But before we go, let's take a look at some of the reactions we got online. Ejide Namdi says, "Nothing is hidden under the sun. You shall know the truth, and the truth shall set you free. All manner of gang up shall be exposed, and Nigerians will come out stronger." Azua Barnabas says, "Oga, take am easy. Your missiles are beginning to be too many for one man. I no call anybody name, I dey fear." One thing that you will start to find now on internet is people are afraid of, saying things that can be used against them or that can be called defamatory or libelous. People are afraid. Before you hear anything, people will say, I beg you, allegedly, because I don't want to be arrested. Abuwa Sheye Emmanuel says, "God is waiting for everyone at the close of our day on earth. Nobody can lobby God with money or anything in life." True. Green Gong says, "This never a lesson or being unguided, rather a prosecution as a result of being resolute to standing for truth, for how long the Nigerian judicial system would remain in the hands of mascots and masqueraders." Dogara says, "Making him popular by the second, hoping the judiciary is alive to its responsibility in the eyes of justice." What are your thoughts? I would love to know. Let me have them in the comment section. Let's continue this discussion over there. Thank you very much for always watching and listening. I will see you all in my next video. Bye for now.